Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Make sure your iPhone XR is updated to iOS 14 or later before you begin. Open Settings and confirm camera access and QR code scanning are enabled. Unlock your phone and launch the camera app from the home screen or control center. Hold the phone steadily about 3 to 6 inches from the QR code for a clear detection. Keep the code fully inside the frame and avoid glare or motion while the camera focuses. Wait for the yellow frame and link notification to appear on screen. With the QR code framed, watch for a yellow detection frame and a link banner at the top. Tap the link banner to open the URL directly in Safari for quick access. If the banner does not appear, tap the screen to help the camera focus on the code. Move the phone slightly closer or farther until the code reads clearly, usually between 3 and 6 inches away. For multi-part codes, scan each piece separately and follow the displayed prompts on Safari. If the camera fails to detect a code, add the QR reader control to Control Center for a dedicated scan option. Go to Settings, Control Center, and tap the green plus to include QR code reader for faster access. For privacy, disable automatic opening of links in Settings if you want manual confirmation before loading pages. Always preview the URL shown in the banner and avoid tapping suspicious or shortened links that may compromise security. Use a trusted QR scanner app if you need history or extra validation features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.